Hey guys, welcome back. Another day, another problem, right? I'm replacing this bulb right there, which is the low beam on a 2006 Chevy Impala. And this will work on 2006 through 2013. So I'll show you what you'll need. You'll need a 7mm socket, and you gotta pull this clip out, which holds these two in. And then the whole assembly just comes right out. So we gotta find a 7. So I got the ratchet, extension. You know what, actually, let's go with the impact. So we got these little sockets right here. Little impact. Let's grab the 7. 7, 7, 7, let's see, 7. Okay, let's stick it on this little thing. Get that thing out. Pull the clip out. You gotta pull up and then out. Get it off that little thing right there. And it goes down there and clips on the bottom one. I'm gonna pull it out. There's the assembly. So therefore, now which we gotta replace is the low beam. So this one right here, the outside is the low beam. So you turn this little thing right here, pull the little cap off, and you gotta reach down in here, pull that off, the little clip, and then twist it, and it comes right out. And as you can tell, which you can't, doesn't even look bad. Might not be a good thing. Well, either way, here's the new one. So plug it back in. And then let's go see if it works. Lights on. It does work. So now what we're gonna do is put this little knob thing, turn it to clips, and then turn it a little bit more. There's a little hole right there. You gotta put that knob in. And then those things that there have to go in the front. Push it up, and you take your bolt and tighten it back down. You take your little clip, push it over. That's how you replace a headlight bulb on a 2006 through 13 Chevy Impala. It's very simple. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.